Ladies and gentlemen, wherever you can be possibly following us from, this is Happy Kids School. This is how we do it. This is the school that shows the talent of kids. Now we are going to hold a very amazing parliamentary debate. We are going to debate on the motion that we have been debating through other classes. This motion states that I would rather be a carpenter than a teacher. We are going to hear from proposers and opposers who are ready to tackle this motion down. And let us, ladies and gentlemen, welcome our speaker, but starting from the proposers, the team that is proposing this motion, please stand up and we give you a warm welcome. Clapping for you. And a like must be done also to the team of opposers, please. The team that is opposing this motion, saying that teachers are better than carpenters, please stand and we clap for you. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, today it shows that it is very amazing and very good. So let us then welcome with no delay the first speaker to propose the motion.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Babazi Akamanzerenka. I thank you, Mr. Chairperson, for giving me this glorious speech. I'm proposing the motion which says, I'd rather be a carpenter more than the teacher. Here are my points. Carpenters have the right to work independently, while teachers must follow school schedules and rules. I accept that the teachers first of all teach the carpenters, but the carpenters first turn that knowledge into reality. They never repeat the same materials they make. They change them using different materials. They make furniture, desks and cupboards. They help in also decorating the house, making cupboards, chairs, tables and furniture which the visitors may like. Thank you.
Yes, thank you. Let us welcome the first speaker to oppose the motion.
Hi. Keep quiet. Hi, my name is Amara Ngabanziza. I am at the opposing side, as you can see. And thank you, Chairperson, opposers and proposers for giving me this glorious speech. I thank everyone who's watching me right now. Let me introduce myself first. My name is Emmanuel Ngabanziza. I'm on the opposing side. See, the point is, teachers are better than carpenters by these following points. Teachers are in a more safer place. Carpentry can cause injuries, deaths, and infections, and there can be injuries. So teaching is the best in my opinion, and even teachers first teach those carpenters to be who they are, and even teaching helps, and even teaching was the first thing. As teachers told us in nursery, the informal education was the first to ever be made. Even you ask teacher Cesarano, he told it to us. Thank you, opposers, proposers, and chairperson.
Let us then welcome the second speaker to propose the motion.
My name is Wasenema. Good afternoon, opposers, proposers, and the chairperson. I'm here to propose the motion which says that I would rather be a carpenter than a teacher in the following points. First of all, actually the school is built using some timbers, and those timbers are from the carpenters. The next point, a carpenter is a creative job. A carpenter does not just follow rules like teachers. A carpenter does design shape of wood into beautiful and exciting objects. Each object is different and exciting. Actually, instead of repeating the same reason, a carpenter can explore new ideas and express their imagination through their work. This is why I support the motion. Thank you.
Thank you so very much. Then let us welcome the second speaker to oppose the motion.
Good afternoon, everyone. I'm from the opposite side. I'm here to oppose the motion which states that I would rather be a carpenter than a teacher. But me, I don't agree with that motion. Me, I agree that teachers are better than carpenters at the following points. Carpenter works with wood and other tools, but a teacher works with mind and knowledge. Also, before someone becomes a doctor, engineer, scientist, even a skilled carpenter first sit in front of teachers. Also, teachers build minds, values, and confidence in people. Thank you.
Thank you so very much. Let us welcome the third speaker to propose the motion.
Thank you, Mr. Chairperson, for giving me this glorious speech. Good afternoon, everyone. I'm here. My name is Gahire Ola. I'm in the proposing side. I propose the motion that states that I would rather be a carpenter than a teacher. I have points that I can propose the motion. My first point. Carpenters existed for centuries before modern schools. Carpenters learn practical skills so that they can make something good and cool. Teachers give knowledge, but carpenters turn that knowledge into reality. Carpenters are the best. Thank you.
Then let us welcome the third speaker to oppose the motion.
My name is Manzia Bliss. I study at Happy Kids School in P5 class. I'm here to oppose the motion that says teachers are better than carpenters. Here are my points. A teacher provides knowledge to the carpenters. Teachers, they teach how to make the furniture. Teachers provide literacy and critical thinking, and teachers provide knowledge to all the carpenters who are around the world. Thank you.
And let us welcome the fourth speaker to propose the motion.
Thank you, Mr. Chairperson, for giving me this glorious speech. My name is School-Gahanga. I study at Happy Kids School in Primary 5 class. I'm here to propose the motion that states that I would be a carpenter rather than a teacher. First point, the carpenters can just prepare the price of the certain wood or furniture that they are going to make, while teachers can be paid by a school leader. Also, that money does not satisfy the teachers, some of them, as how they want. While carpenters can can prepare their own prices for those woods, and they get money that they are happy for. Thank you.
Yes, let us then welcome the fourth speaker to oppose the motion.
Thank you, Mr. Chairperson, for giving me this glorious speech. My name is Elivas Kaira and I'm on the opposing side. I'm opposing the motion that states that I would rather be a carpenter than a teacher in the following statements. Carpenters can make like 100 or 200 furniture, but for teachers, they are the one who teach the people in the world. Teachers, we are the one who taught the professions, like people who goes and they take pictures of people. They were taught by teachers. Teachers build the mind of people who build the world. So if they build that mind, that means that teachers are the foundation of everything. If teachers can make people meet their dreams, doesn't that make the teachers foundation of everything? Thank you.
Yes, then let us welcome the last speaker who is going to propose the motion, and we are going also to listen to the last speaker who is going to oppose the motion. Very, very quickly.
Thank you, Mr. Chairperson, for giving me glorious speech. I agree with the motion that states that I would rather be a carpenter than a teacher. There are the following points. Carpenters can make wooden products like chairs, desks that we sit on while studying. I accept that carpenters in front of teacher, but they turn the knowledge into reality. Carpenter have the independence to work with no rules, but teachers must work carefully so they can't get failed. And some window made from now teacher sit on chairs made from wood. Thank you.
Then let us welcome the last speaker who is going to oppose the motion.
Good morning, good afternoon everyone. My name is Mngandi Wasefoebe Momo. I study at Happy Kids School, and I'm here to oppose the motion that states that I would rather be a carpenter than a teacher. I don't agree with that moment with the following points. Respected judges and dear friends, today we heard that a carpenter can build a classroom, but only a teacher can build the future inside. Let's go deeper. If teachers make people to meet their dreams, doesn't that make teachers the foundation of everything and of the carpenters? Thank you.
Yes, then let us hear from some few points from the speakers, and then we listen to the audience and we close the debate of today. Yes, let us welcome let us welcome Linka for a question to ask, an inquiry to make, and we listen to the opposers.
Thank you for this glorious speech. I was going to ask a question to Honorable Momo. You said that teachers can build the future inside that classroom, but when they build it, sometimes they can make mistakes writing on the chalkboard or explaining something. So, but the carpenters correct themselves while making those things. But I have another question for you. Why do the teachers teaching those carpenters, the carpenters can turn into the knowledge they have into that reality. But teachers, sometimes they can't. Do you have a point of correcting me?
Thank you for asking me the question. But I need that you can repeat it and I answer you.
I can do something. Thank you, Mr. Chairperson, for giving me this glorious speech and for to make me ask her again clearly. I was asking you, you said teachers build the future in that classroom, but you said that carpenters may use timbers to build the classroom, but they don't use all the timbers to build the classroom. You can't see a building built by timbers only. Masonries help, but I'm asking you this question. What if teachers made mistakes, but carpenters corrected them? What could the teachers do or explain to the owner of the school?
Thank you for asking me a question, and I need to answer you. You just said that teachers build the knowledge in the classroom. That's true. Yeah, that's true. It's true. Also, a teacher can make a mistake, but can correct. When a carpenter make like this desk bad, he can't correct it. He can't again cut here. It can be a worst desk ever. Thank you.
Let us listen to them as supporting words.
You say that, but they can correct.
Thank you for this glorious speech. I'm here to support Rinka in the following ways. Actually, as Kwitonda said, and Momo, actually, not all teachers study only from teachers. Some study from doing and practicing. And as Honorable Momo said, that carpenters build school, they don't build, they help in building school by providing timbers. Thank you.
Thank you for supporting Linka, but there is a correction there, something which is not true that you said. You say that not only teachers learn from teachers. So you want to mean that you're supporting our motion?
Yeah, teachers.
You don't listen well. I'm saying not only carpenters study from teachers. You are not listening well. I just said that not all carpenters study only from teachers. I've said not all carpenters start from teachers. If you don't have teachers, that is your business.
Point of support. Skylar said that. Honorable Skylar said that teachers say that we are supporting their motion, but actually we are not. Nema said some future teachers may not learn from these teachers from modern. They may learn from their home, but some carpenters don't need that knowledge in the class. Even they may look some videos on YouTube to practice well. Thank you.
Let us listen to some ideas from the audience. Let us listen from the audience. The audience who is going to propose and another audience who is going to oppose the motion. And then we close our debate. Please, Madam Brannan, you are welcome.
Thank you, Mr. Chairperson. My name is Inezabel Brena. I study in Primary 5 at Apiki School. I want to state the motion that said that I rather be a carpenter than a teacher. So, I want to correct Honorable Skyela. You have said that Nema have said that she have make a mistake, and that mistake, some people do mistakes. And I want to say that if teachers are better than carpenter, so why do you sit on that chair and you keep books in wooden cupboard? So why can you not sit on that knowledge of teachers?
Let us listen to Mr. Omen.
Thank you, everyone. I want to tell you, you know, some carpenters have some sharp tools, materials that may cause injuries. And those injuries, if there could be no school, the teachers teach the doctors to become who they are. And the carpenters sometimes get injury. Who will treat them? You are going to tell me that they will use the Rwandan they will use more than they will use more than.
Thank you so very much for a very wonderful debate. We are going also to be having this debate the next week that is coming. We are going to also to have this debate. But let me thank each and everybody for attending. I'm thanking the opposers, I'm thanking the proposers for the very wonderful ideas that you provided in this debate. And we are very happy that this one is going on very well. And thank you so very much. I'll see you next time.